Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Manas. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to learn our 5 biggest takeaways from Edward Elric's characteristic. So Edward Elric is the lead character in Full Metal Alchemist series. He is also the eldest of the Elric brothers. So Full Metal Alchemist kindly is a story of 2 brothers who are searching for a Philosopher's Stone to get their normal bodies back. Okay, let's just start with the first thing to learn from Edward's character is mistakes are better than regret. In the anime, Edward and his brother Alphonse always tried, even if they have landed into big issues, but they tried to bring back their mother and they had committed a great sin. But their whole journey they have learned through this mistake. At least they tried it. It is a bad thing to do, but they tried it at least and they've learned a lot of things from them. Okay, and it has changed in the anime. We can see that how they have grown after committing this mistake. We have seen that. So in our real life ऐसा होता है कि कई बार हम सोचते हमारे किसी चीज़ पे इंटरेस्ट होता है और हम ट्राई नहीं करते हैं किसी डर की वजह से या किसी चीज़ की वजह से, एंड वी काइंड ऑफ रिग्रेट इट एवरी डे. अगर हमने उस टाइम पे ट्राई कर लिया होता उस चीज़ को, देन वी वुड हैव बीन इन अ बेटर प्लेस. So that should not be the scenario. At least we should try in whatever field we are interested in or whatever place or whatever thing we are interested in. And yeah, even if we fail, that doesn't matter. We will carry our experience. Okay. So that's it. The first thing that you can learn from Edward's character is mistakes are better than regrets. So the second thing which we can learn from Edward's character is that if there is no road which you are seeing, then you should create your own path. Okay. So we have seen this in the anime multiple times that Edward keep on saying it that if there is no door open for me, I will create a new one myself. So the takeaway from this line, which I can say, is like there are a lot of times where we see we are landing up in a dead end. So instead of sitting in the dead end, वहाँ बैठने से अच्छा है कि we try to create a new path for ourselves. So I know it is very easy to say, but quite difficult to do. But it is at least that trying to create a new path is better than sitting on the dead end, right? So the third thing which you should learn from Edward's character is that even when our eyes are closed, there is a whole world that is living outside ourselves and our dreams. So इस चीज़ से हम ये सीख सकते हैं कि एक्चुअली हमें हमेशा यही लगता है जो हमारे साथ हो रहा है वो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम, सबसे बड़ा इशू है, लेकिन हमको बाकी चीज़ों पे भी ध्यान देना चाहिए जो हमारे आसपास हो रहा है, मतलब जो हमारे सोसाइटी के साथ हो रहा है या फिर हमारे देश में जो प्रॉब्लम है या फिर हम जो प्रॉब्लम है. So we can think of solutions also to address those issues instead of focusing every time on ourselves. Okay, so yeah, that's the third point which you can learn from Edward's character. So the fourth thing which we can learn from Edward's character is that always try to keep moving forward. In the anime, so while the Elric brothers were searching for the Philosopher's Stone, they went to Lior and they met a girl there whose name was Rose. So what happens, Ed and Al have revealed to the people of Lior that the father they were believing in so much was actually a fraud. Okay? So at that time, Rose was crying a lot because she at least had faith to live for and she doesn't have anything to live for anymore. Ed tells him that stand up and walk, keep moving forward. Okay, so you have got 2 good legs, so get up, use them. Okay, so actually with that you're strong enough to make your own path. And he's right, as long as there is still fight left in हमें कोशिश करना चाहिए आगे बढ़ने के लिए. So भले कितना बड़ा जगह क्यों ना हो, we will eventually reach it if you try to keep moving forward. So the final thing which we can learn from Edward's character, I will feel like it is the biggest takeaway from this character. Okay, and I think it is the biggest takeaway from पूरा anime से ही सबसे बड़ा takeaway जो होगा कि there is no such thing as painless lesson. They doesn't exist. So we have to lose something first in order to gain something in return. Okay, so हम अपनी गलतियों से सीखते हैं and we grow from our experience. Like समटाइम हमें चोट पहुंचती है, हमें बुरा लगता है किसी चीज़ का. So this happens, but so if you can endure that pain and walk away from it, you will find that you have a heart strong enough to overcome any obstacle. Yeah, and इसको हम Full Metal Heart कहते हैं. So So that's it. That's the 5 things which you can learn from Edward's character. And now let's get started with the second part.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me.
I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, have a great day.